From Missouri Gulch Trailhead, Claudia and I hiked south for 2 hours, making camp just before nightfall. Early the next morning, we made our summit push via Missouri's northwest ridge. After a quick break, Claudia and I left the summit of Missouri Mountain, returning to the trail junction. Claudia went back to camp while I charged on, taking Elkhead Pass to the ridge, then the West Ridge route to the summit of Mount Oxford. Some backtracking returned me west to Mount Belford's summit. Exhausted, I returned to camp via Belford's beautiful northwest ridge. After quickly breaking down camp, I slugged back to Claudia, waiting at the van.
All right, we are getting psyched. It's only about 6 p.m. Sounds like a perfect start time to kick off the Belford-Oxford, Missouri connection. My friend Claudia and I are getting ready to make it to a base camp. We're just gonna set up camp close to all three of them as we can. She's already done Oxford and Belford, so I'm gonna go after them solo, maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow, likely tomorrow. It's a little bit late, so tell us a little bit about yourself, Claudia.
Hey guys, I'm a rock climber and house music DJ. I'm on the road full time, out here bagging some peaks. This will be my 40th 14er, but hard to say if I'll ever do them all, even though I'm so close.
Oh yeah.
That's all there is to me, I guess.
Great plan to get started at 6 p.m., right? That's the norm. That's what, for most of them, what you do?
Definitely, and a chance of rain.
Oh yeah, that's right. Dark clouds, a little ominous. This is her humble abode, her beautiful chariot. A little bit of dark clouds, not sure if you can see that, but the trailhead's looking gorgeous. We're feeling psyched. See you along the way. How you feeling? You feeling psyched?
Yeah, very thankful for your pace, to be honest.
Every 14er continental United States. You know, let's take it further. Why not climb every 14er in North America? Right? Like, shit could get obsessive.
Yeah.
But look at this. What else am I doing with my life that could possibly be more epic?
Nothing.
That cost as little as this.
Howdy, partner.
Yeah, getting psyched at about 11,000 feet now, making our way into a meadow. It's getting a little bit later, but the sun's starting to peek out from behind some of the gray clouds. So we're in high spirits, gonna gain another maybe 2,000 feet tonight and see where that puts us for tomorrow. All right, just made it to the trail junction. Looking to find a place to set up camp. What did we find? We found the home for the evening.
Beautiful flat foundation.
Look at it.
Fireplace included.
Please give us the full cribs tour.
Here we have the fireplace. We use real rocks.
With real rocks.
Yeah, harvested at 11,400 feet, if I had to guess. I wish we could see the stars tonight, but it's cloudy.
It is cloudy.
Tomorrow night it'll be nicer, I think. Ooh, maybe when we wake up it'll still be dark and we'll see the stars. It'll be clear by then.
That's a good hope. Love the optimism. So it's not actually this cold, but it is a little bit cold. And so we're all bundled up. We're eating a gourmet feast tonight. Decided not to bring the stove, and so we've got a bag of walnuts, pumpkin seeds, some cranberries, you know, all the essentials.
Put that there.
I don't know, but it looks
good. Right
looks good to me. Beautiful sunrise.
Wow.
Claudia's already done Belford, so we're gonna go to Missouri first. Missouri's this sexy peak just above Claudia, just above that spruce, right there in the distance. We're gonna take that knoll up, 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 and then through the notch right in there. See you along the way.
What's it like down there, YouTubers? Peasants? You Front Range folks and everybody else in the world down at a mile high. Come on, get up on our level. We're at what, 2.5 miles up? You know, they do not have this down there. You couldn't be more correct, Claudia. Well said. Back to you in a minute. We'll see you back at the van.
Have fun.
Oh yeah, getting so psyched. Belford behind me, Oxford in front of me, heading to a beautiful place. I'm all out of water, which is a little concerning considering I got at least another 3, maybe 4 hours before I'm back to the tent. But we gotta push on. See you along the way. Awesome, feeling good. In a little wind shelter here. Sort of getting settled in for a few minutes to just recoup, recover, enjoy some juicy mango. Trader Joe's, sponsor me. Let's do some mango. Oh yeah. And then we're heading back up and over to Belford and feeling really excited about that. Gonna drop back down to camp and head on back to the van. We'll catch you on Belford. Yeah, number 3. Happy to be on top of Belford. There's where we came from, or I came from. A little over 14,170 feet. That's the trail we're gonna be using to take down. Hoping to get back to camp where I can get some water. Been without water for several hours and starting to feel the effects. It's good to travel light, water's really heavy. Happy it's overcast, but when it's hot, better to drink your water. And now I'm just feeling it a little bit. But we got some water stashed back at camp, so we should be doing great here in about an hour. We'll check in with you along the way. Feeling a little beat up, a little bit kicked in the tits, but we are here, taking a momentary rest, middle of the trail, blazing sun, Heading down the front side of Belford. Feeling tired, but should be at the tent in less than an hour, probably more like 30 minutes or so. So I just finished breaking down camp, leaving base camp and heading down. We camped at about 11,700 feet. So trailhead cars parked at like 9,700, 9,670. So should be a little bit about 2,000 feet vertical decline. Pack's a little bit heavier, but I got water in me now. I had a snack, had a little bit of ibuprofen, a little bit of caffeine, and I'm starting to feel alive, starting to feel great. We got really beautiful views. Look at this trail behind me. It's absolutely gorgeous, leading downhill all the way down the valley. We're feeling grateful. See you along the way. Back to the van. Get psyched, making our way down the home stretch. A little under 11,000 feet, maybe at 10.5. Should be getting back to the car in less than an hour. Get psyched! When you see this bridge, you can start rejoicing. You are at the home stretch, beautiful. Ooh, yeah. Loving it. The trusty steed is here indeed. So epic. We did it. Back safe and sound to the chariot. Heading to Leadville now. Gonna recharge our batteries. Maybe get some ice cream, treat ourselves a little bit, and we'll see you tomorrow.